Morning peeps, I'm just on my way up to the plot. It's been about 2 weeks since I paid it a visit. I've got a bag and I'm ready to pick some vegetables. Holy crap, the grapevine is a bit full on this year. I mean, bunches and bunches of lovely grapes, but look at the plant itself. It's got way out of control. That's my gate. Normally I can just open up this and step right into the plot, but it's really pushed the rose hip bush over. It's just scrambling. It's just a monster. Let me try and get in. Bloody hell. Right, definitely needs to be cut back, but I don't know whether to do that this season or this year, because surely there's going to be loads of grapes somewhere in here forming. Maybe not. Maybe I should just cut it back. Christ, this has really got out of hand. Look at it. Alright. Well, I guess I'll be cutting this back at some stage. Wow. The sweet peas are done and dusted for this year, it seems. They put on a great display a couple of weeks ago and we're in full bloom. The onion patch needs weeding, as you can tell, so I'll get on that today. Amongst this lot are some banana shallots, although you wouldn't be able to tell it from the weeds. Runner beans have finally had a go and are climbing up the sticks, so I'm happy about that. This is what happens when you don't harvest your courgettes on a regular basis. You get this bloody monster. I don't like it when they get to that size. I prefer them when they're a lot smaller. So, I don't know, I might just leave this one on the share chair, which we have up on the allotment site. Check this bad boy out. The tree lily is in full bloom. How lovely is that, eh? Those flower heads are enormous. Top flowering tree lily. And I've got some dahlias putting on a bit of a show as well. It's like a bee hotel on this lavender bush, which is growing in my neighbour's plot. They're everywhere. I do love lavender. And so do they, it seems. More flowers on offer in this particular bed here. Swamp lilies have started to bloom. And this is just a riot of colour. Mainly marigolds, few pansies in there. And my second swamp lily at the end here. The French climbing beans joined the party. I'm going to be taking some of these today. Lovely stuff. And finally, I guess it's the star of the show at the moment on the plot, my Atlantic giant pumpkin. Not so much of a giant at the moment, but hopefully it will put on a bit of weight in the coming months. And who knows, around Halloween it might be twice the size of this. The plant is loving life, scrambling around. So yeah, watch this space. We'll see how this one gets on. Right, I think a day of weeding is required up here at the plot. Look at that bloody grapevine going mental behind me. Right, let's start with the onion bed, eh? And that's the onion bed tidied up for now. You can actually see them. I've worked my way along, weeding in between the shallots, the runner beans, and some of the lettuce. There we go. Top job. Pat myself on the back. This is the next bed I'm going to tackle. I don't think I'm going to do all of it. Probably just this bottom section here. So let's see how I get on with that. And as if by magic, the weeds have all been dug out. Looks a lot better, doesn't it? I've only gone up to the courgette plants. Laziness has set in. Little and often is the gardening mantra, so I'm going to stick to that. And that's going to be it for today, people. Tools of the trade. Right, I need to get picking some of those French climbing beans. Take a couple of broad beans. The onions are looking good. Not ready just yet. Yeah, might take a couple of courgettes as well. Well, it looks like the bean family are well represented in this particular pick. Got the broad beans, French climbing beans, my first 2 runner beans, and a courgette. My apple tree, James Grieve, has produced quite a few apples this year. I guess I need to take some because the branches are bending over severely. Woody, if he's watching, will probably be shouting at the screen saying I've done it all wrong, which I have. I don't really know how to grow fruit. He is the master when it comes to that. Anyway, I'll pick some of these and relieve the branch of the excess weight and stress. 4 apples going into the bag. Alright, lovely people, I think that's just about it from me today. Done a bit of digging, bit of weeding, bit of messing around, bit of harvesting. Can't be bad. Thanks for joining me. If you have, remember to hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you fancy it, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.